I just got myself the Logitech Slim Signature Plus wireless keyboard. This is the K980 and it is designed to last 10 years, charging itself with solar and artificial light so you never need to plug it in. And of course it's from my favorite brand for wireless accessories, and I definitely needed a new keyboard. So let's unbox this and put it to the test. Now this is a Bluetooth keyboard for Windows, Mac OS, iPad OS, iOS, Android OS, Chrome OS, and Linux. This really will work for anything. And when you open it up, here's how it comes. Very responsibly packaged and responsibly made. So this is really nice, designed for the planet. Really thinking ahead here. I love that all of this is just paper-based. And with that, all of the instructions are in the cardboard packaging as well. And this is beautiful. Very sleek, slim lines. It has the little rubber bumpers on the back. No adjustability, so you're not gonna be able to tap this up or have it go down. It is just its slightly raised, tipped up surface. It is a larger keyboard as it has the full number pad as well. It also has a special button. Let me see if I can find it real quick, which I believe is this one right here, which you can fully customize. It also has buttons so you can quickly switch Bluetooth between different devices you have this set up for. And right here, this little indentation, this is the solar and artificial light charge point, so you don't want to cover this piece, and that's really it. There aren't any plugins at all. On the back it has an on-off switch, and then you connect it to the Logitech app. If you have any other Bluetooth Logitech devices, I'm sure it's the same app, and it's going to give you a lot more control. Well, let's plug this in and check it out more. And while I'm going to connect this to my computer in just a moment here, I do want to just point out how nice the keys are. If I'm just tapping them like I would, they are very, very quiet, very comparable to my laptop's existing keyboard, which is exactly what I wanted. I wanted something that would seamlessly work for me as I swap between using my laptop and using my laptop at my desk. So let's set this up the rest of the way. So now I have my setup, the keyboard's ready to go. I have my Logitech mouse, and I actually do still have my laptop keyboard open as well, but I have it on the iLevel 2 laptop stand, so it's upright for me, which is one of the reasons why I wanted to get this keyboard, is so I wasn't typing up on the stand, which is very awkward. So let's set this up. So I went ahead and added it to my Logitech app. To do that, you're just going to click on Add Device at the top, and then it will take you to your Bluetooth settings where you just want to tap Connect for this keyboard. It'll ask you to enter a number that it will show you on the screen. Once you do, it's connected. So now that I have it connected, I can click into this, and then I can go through all of the details on it. Let's just look at these together. It has the powered by light, really nice there. It looks like I can even check lighting conditions. Right now I have insufficient light. It's not bright enough for it right now. That's good to know. Then this is my action key. So I will be checking what smart actions I can do with that here in a moment. And then I have the AI launch key. So with this, it's going to launch AI. It looks like I can also customize that key. Up here, I have quick meeting control keys, so I can mute or unmute myself. I can turn on and off my camera, and this circle is for screen share. I will be using those, so I'm going to have that be on. And then it looks like all of these keys I can actually customize however I want. And then finally, I already pointed this out, but these are the easy switch keys. So if I had multiple devices I wanted to use this keyboard for, I can have it quickly switch between 3 different devices. So now I am in. And now that I am in, I really can click on any of these keys and I can choose for them to do basically anything. We can do some of these smart actions. I'm very curious what Netflix break is. And then it has so many other actions. I can go straight into a calculator. It, of course, has all the actions that are standard for these, like brightness up and down. And then it even has an emoji action and the emojis menu. I actually will be using that here, as that's a great quick button to use. And I'm just scrolling through this, so many actions that you can add here. And then down at the bottom, it has that AI prompt builder, and I can choose what I want. It has recommended actions. I can ask Perplexity. And one of the coolest things about this is that I have noticed that the Logitech app is always updating. So these options will change as more options become available, which is just amazing. And then finally, you can actually set it for specific applications. So obviously I already set it for Zoom. And when a Zoom call occurs, this is my screen share, my mute unmute, and my start stop video. But if I added another application, I could have it have specific settings for that application. So it really gives you a lot of control there. And the easy switch I already talked about. Obviously, I've only paired it with one device so far. And then finally, I won't be showing settings, as it really is just my personal firmware numbers, but it is where you would update the firmware if you need to. So really clean there. Let's see how well it types. And I'm just going to center this so you can really see it. Now, when I type, it is so clean and seamless, and I really can type the same way I type on a keyboard. And yes, I am trying to type as I talk, which is why I'm talking so slow. But I think you get the point there. It is really nice and smooth. Just typing slowly for a moment here and not thinking about what I'm typing. It is so clean. The buttons feel nice on my fingers. They don't have any rubberization or anything like that. You have the bump ups, since it is a QWERTY keyboard, on your F and J, and it just feels wonderful. This is a really nice keyboard. I am thrilled I got it, and I think you're gonna love it as well. The Logitech Signature Slim Solar Plus K980. They did a slam dunk here.